Hey, so you've recorded your video in Tella. Now what? Yeah, editing and sharing is where everything comes together. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly edit your recording and share it like a pro. First, go to your Tella dashboard and open the video you want to edit. Now start by trimming your clips. Cut out mistakes, long pauses, or anything unnecessary. You can drag and rearrange clips to change the flow of your video. If something doesn't look right, you can delete a clip or re-record just that part. Now enhance your video by adding layouts, backgrounds, or adjusting how your webcam appears. You can also add zoom effects to highlight important parts of your screen. Yeah, this makes your video more engaging. If available, use AI tools to remove silence or filler words automatically. It saves a lot of time. Before sharing, preview your video to make sure everything looks and sounds right. Once you're happy, click Finish to process your final video. Now you can copy the share link and send it to anyone or download the video in high quality. So yeah, that's how you edit and share your recordings in Tella. It's quick, simple, and gives you professional results. If this helped, check out more guides like this.